Hey everybody, today I'm going to be opening up a Houndstone EX box. I'm not the biggest fan of this Pokemon, but it has packs in it, and I'm always down for some packs. It has a little bit of variety too in it. So yeah, let's get this thing open and see what it does. Got a few pros in it. Let's see if I can take it out without ruining the whole thing. I don't know what to do with this. That's on the ground now. Alrighty, so it comes with one Houndstone EX, which is awesome. A graveyard. Foil, and a code card. It also comes with a oversized card, which is pretty cool, and then 4 boosters, 2 Stellar Crown and 2 Twilight Masquerade. Alrighty. Let's see what this thing has. Tangrowth, Venipede, Chansey, Dracocloak, Heracross, Palafin, Handheld Fan, Pinsir, Clefable, and Iron Leaves. That is a cool card. We have a Emolga, Frogadier, Illuminise, Applin, Glamora, Snorlax, Morpeko, Cook, Clefairy, and Fenzidipali. I probably butchered the hell out of that name. 2 more packs left. Scorbunny, Ladybug, Mienfoo, Flittle, Pangoro, Crispin, Talonflame, Fanrotom, Dreadnought, and Noctowl. Alright, last pack. Bombardier, Rhyhorn, Carnivine, Riolu, Briar, Electivire, Double, Buffalant, Antique Root Fossil, and Ledian. Unfortunately, there are no hits in this box, but it was still a cool product. We still did get at least one guaranteed EX, even though if it was guaranteed, but still cool cards no matter what. Yeah. So that's the end of the video here today. If you liked it, hit the like button. Follow the Instagram in the bio. If we get 100 followers on either Instagram or the YouTube channel, I will open up a full booster box. So stay tuned for that if that happens. Or I might just do it. I don't know. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day.